How to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can do sponsored ads on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Sponsored ad means that you're basically running an ad campaign on your Instagram page or your Instagram profile. Could be a personal, but the thing over here you want to understand is that in order to boost or be able to do a sponsored ad, you need to have a professional account, be it a business account or a creator account. On a personal account you will not be able to boost your post. So right over here you can see in my case I already have a professional account. Once I do that, I can simply navigate to the post that let's say I want to boost over here. So let's say this is the post I want to boost. It is very simple. Right at the bottom you'll find a section known as boost post. So you have to just tap on it. Once you tap the boost post option over here, you will be able to see all these sorts of details. Now you can simply select a goal for this, such as more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages, depending upon what you want. Then you can tap the next option here and you can simply choose a target audience. Now you can see special ad category. You can choose automatic, or you can select create your own option by selecting the audience name, the locations, interests, gender, as well as targeting expansion, and then hit the arrow icon over here. Once you've done all these details, tap the next option again. Now you have to simply select a budget and duration, which means that whether you want to spend $5 daily or $1 daily, and for how many days you want to run the ad campaign. So you can run it for 15 days or 30 days completely by spending over $1,000 daily, and you have to spend over 30,000 or in 30 days. So depending upon what you want, you can simply select them. Here you'll be able to see the estimated reach, and then you can tap the next option here. Once I've done that, you can see review your ad. You can simply select the preview of your ad over here, and whether you want it for the feed, stories, explore, or reels, or whatever else you prefer. You can select a payment method. You can add them. Tap on boost post option, confirm with the payment details such as a credit or debit card, and once you've done that, your post will get successfully boosted and your sponsored ads will be created. This way you can do sponsored ads on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.